Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in order to translate to a different language. So this is your classwork for the day. When you click the classwork section, you will see different items come up. This is what's going to come up on Tuesday, among other things, but this is one of them. So you click on it, click on this purple form, and if you don't understand the question, you're going to open another tab here by saying File, New Tab, and typing in Google Translate, and you will highlight the question and then right click with your mouse and hit copy. Go to Google Translate, right click with your mouse again. Right click with your mouse and hit paste, and then change the language to whichever language you need. And it will tell you what the question is. And you can answer in Ukrainian, or you can answer in English. You can translate it yourself, or I can translate it for you. You can do that, and I'll translate it, or you can find the English words and copy and paste them the same way and put it in the answer. So you highlight the question, right click, copy, go to Google Translate, paste. Here's the question, type in an answer, and copy and paste again. Okay. When you're done, you're going to hit submit. So answer all of the questions as best as you can, and then hit submit when you're done.